Okay, so you're going to learn how to download an Excel file, upload it to your Google Drive, and then also save it as a Google Sheet. So you're going to come over here to Schoology. You're going to go to week 2, spreadsheets you will need. And here it is right here. So you're going to click on it. You are going to come over here to download. You're going to notice it popped it up here. So I can either A, click on it right here, or B, I'm going to go right down here to my folder. I'm going to slide my gray bar up and I'm going to go to my downloads. So you can see it's right here. So now I know where it is when I want to use it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click open my drive. And I'm going to go into my teacher folder, into my week 2. So this is where I want it to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do new, and I'm going to do a file upload. And click on my downloads, and you can see it's right here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click open. And you can see right here, it's telling me, hey, I'm uploading. Now here it is. Now this is in an Excel file. I don't want it in an Excel file. I want it in a Google Sheet. So you could right click on it and notice you have like all of these prompts, like share, make a copy, rename. But what I want to do here is I want to open it with Google Sheets. You could go this route and click here. Now, I normally don't do this route. Normally I go and I click on what it is. It's going to open it in Google Sheets. Problem is I want it to be a sheet. I don't want it to be in an Excel file. So this is where you're going to go to File, and here, right here, Save as a Google Sheet. You're going to click on that. So right now it's in the process of saving it as a sheet. And now it'll turn it into a Google Sheet, and you will no longer see the XLS right here. So what you can do now is, let me take you back and close these. I'm going to take you back to your teacher folder. When you go here to click on your teacher folder, go to week 2. You can see they're both in here, the Excel file and the sheet. You can just go right here, right click on the Excel file and put it in the trash because you already have the sheet that you wanted. And now you're all set.